The Special Projects team was put together specifically to help customers who wanted to convert or wanted to explore the idea of using Beckhoff technology. And we exist to make it easier.
We've got a very passionate and enthusiastic team who are experienced and very knowledgeable with the Beckhoff products and very competent in software integration. This team helps our customers with new developments and migrations from different platforms to Beckhoff platforms. They will help our customers accelerate their development from zero to a full running machine.
We have over 350 years of factory floor experience. Every one of the guys on the team has been building machines longer than 10 years, some as long as 30 years. We know the pain that customers experience when they don't work, and we know a lot of the places that we can make it better, and we leverage all of that experience for any of our projects.
When we are with customers, we're supporting them with their journey through troubleshooting or through development or through specification. They're looking at us as a reference to give them confidence in their proposal, their software, and their safe functional operation of the machine.
We build in the layer between the raw tools, kind of the driver tools, and what industry needs as far as giving a packaged, ready to use on a machine kind of module. And we build that piece in there to make it a little bit easier to adopt and a little bit easier to use. Then we provide them with the documentation to be able to use any of the tools that we provide. But we also get early access to any of the new software coming out to guys like the product managers, the software developers, the hardware developers. So in the case that there's something strange going on, we're the fastest route to finding what may be the cause.
If you really enjoy engineering and you grasp engineering, you just want to drive for more. You're always wanting more. We try to meet the customer's service level expectations or even exceed that. They will be with the customer through that journey and leave the customer in a really good place when they leave.
This team that I've put together has been the most fantastic gift to me in my entire career. They are all extremely talented in all of their areas. Everybody has their strengths, everybody has their weaknesses. But when we get everybody on the same page and start leveraging what can we do as a team, and there's no limit. It's just a thing of beauty. My business cards don't have a job description. It literally just says my name and has my cell phone number and says Beckhoff Automation. Usually what ends up happening is I'll sit down with a customer engineer and I'll do the obligatory trade business cards and he'll see it and they'll see that there's no title on it and he'll ask, what do you do for Beckhoff? And I'll say, what do you need me to do for Beckhoff? It's a great way to say, I'm open to hear what you have to say.